we are going to discuss one problem. It's very important problem. That's a simple pendulum only. Length of the second pendulum. Second pendulum. Length of the second pendulum. Second pendulum has time period 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Indirectly, it means 2 seconds. Second pendulum means its time period is 2 seconds. Okay? Yes. That is increased by 1%. That is, length is increased by 1%. Length is increased by 1%. Then, how many times it will loss in a day? The time loss they asked to find. Okay? For that you find time period, the formula for time period. That is T is equal to what? 2 by under square root of L by G. So length of the simple pendulum, acceleration due to gravity. What they asked, that is T dash is equal to what? 2 by under square root of L dash by G. What is L dash? What is L dash? That is increased by 1%. Increased by 1%. That is what? That is 2 by under square root of L into 1 plus 1%, 1 by 100. 1 by 100 divided by G. That's a 1% only. It is increased by 1%. Probably understand? Then you find that is T dash divided by T. These two getting cancelled, G getting cancelled, the L is also getting cancelled. Remaining term is what? That is 1 plus 1 by 100 under square root. Square root is what? 1 by 2. Square root is what? 1 by 2. By using binomial expression, just you made a product of the second term. Then this will be 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 100. Then what will happen? That is 1 plus 1 by 200. Okay. Then this will be 210. This will be 201. 201 divided by 200. 200. Its value is 1.005. 005. What its value? This value is nothing but 2 seconds. Since this is second pendulum has time period 2 seconds. Then T dash is equal to what? That is 1.005 into this T has 2 seconds, that is 2. Then this will be, what will be the answer? That is what? That is 2.010. How do you understand? This much seconds. This much seconds. Okay? How do you understand? Just you find the time period originally. Then if 1% increased, then you find the time period. Divide all by other. Find a new time period. A new time period. That means what we understand here, that is time period increased. that is t dash is greater than t. How much time this is increased? Here 2 seconds, this is 2 seconds, this is 2.01 seconds. Then how many, that is it is increased by t dash increased by 0.01 seconds. This is increased by 0.01 seconds. That means number of vibration, time period increased. That is a time period increased. That means there is a lesser time per seconds. Lesser time per seconds. Okay, there is a loss of time. Then the time becomes very slow. Time becomes slow. Everybody understand? Okay. Then loss in time in 2 seconds. What? 0.01. Loss in time in 1 day. 1 day is what? 0.01 divided by 2 seconds. How many seconds in a day? 86,400 seconds per day. Then this is the loss of time in a per day. Loss of time per day. That is what? This can be written as 432. This is a 432 seconds is the loss. 432 second is the loss. Let's say if the length of the seconds pendulum is increased 1%, how many time will it loss in a day? That is 432 seconds. Okay, I will give a small shortcut as well as tricks. Okay, it's a very easy. Instead of doing all the calculations, we can see the answer fraction of seconds. Okay. The same problem, I will give the shortcut. Okay, for a shortcut point of view, it's very important for the entrance examination point. If the length of the second pendulum is increased by 1%, how many times will it loss in a day? How many times will it loss in a day? Okay, for that we need what? That is, we need t dash by t. T dash by t. That means we need t dash. Very small technique, shortcut route I will give you. That's I took to make this shortcut route in a day. 1 day I spent to take this shortcut route. Please do it, please. The shortcut route is 1 plus or minus x. 1 plus or minus x. 1 plus or minus x minus x n minus 1. This is the formula. This is a formula for t. I spent 1 day, 1 full day to catch this idea. Please carefully listen. It is very useful for your examination point of view. If it is a problem, just remember this one. Okay, what's x? X is what? 0.005. What is n? N is what? Percentage. What is plus? Plus is increased. minus decrease. You just remember all those things. You can see easily. Very simple math. That is T dash. For example, let it be, you take this particular problem. 1% increased. 1% increased. 1% increased. Then the formula changes to what? T dash 1 plus or minus. Increased means plus. X value increased or decreased in the same X value. That is 0.005 minus here X the same value 0.005. N minus 1. N is what? Percentage. How many percentage? 1%. That is 1 minus 1. It becomes what? 0. Then this is what? 1.005. T dash is 1.005. T dash is 1.005. Actually, this is a general case. If it is a second pendulum, then T dash 2 point something. Everybody understand? We are not discussing about a second pendulum here. If it is a second pendulum, just you multiply this value is T dash by T. This is T dash by T. Actually, we found T dash by T only. That is, if T dash is 2 means just to multiply this one. If T dash is 3 means just you multiply this one. In general, we can write it. Okay, this is a very important shortcut rule. Everybody understand? Just to understand clearly. For example, 2 seconds. For example, 2% increased. For example, 2% increased. For example, 2% increased. Then T dash by T is equal to what? 1 plus increased plus X means 0.005 minus 0.005. N minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is a 1. That is 2 minus 1, it's a 1. Then what's the value? 1.005 minus 0.005, 005. Then what's the value? That is 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. Then 3% means here 3 minus 1, 2 times. So just to multiply this one, this value. This is a very shortcut method. You can solve this particular problem.